Welcome to this video on GME stock. In this video, you'll get to know the complete story of GameStop, GME stock. In early 2021, GameStop became a household name thanks to a group of amateur investors who banded together to drive up the price of its stock. But what exactly is GME stock, and why did it capture the world's attention? GME is the ticker symbol for GameStop, a video game retailer that has been struggling in recent years as more and more people turn to digital downloads instead of physical copies of games. But in January 2021, a group of investors on the subreddit r/Wall Street Bets began buying up shares of GME, causing the stock price to skyrocket. These investors, many of whom were relatively inexperienced and using platforms like Robinhood to trade stocks, saw an opportunity to make money by banding together and buying up shares of a company that many professional investors had written off as a lost cause. As the GME stock price continued to rise, it attracted attention from the mainstream media and Wall Street alike. Some professional investors, such as hedge fund manager Melvin Capital, had bet against GameStop by shorting its stock, meaning they stood to make a profit if the stock price fell. But with the price climbing ever higher, these investors found themselves in a precarious position. The situation ultimately culminated in a massive short squeeze, where investors who had bet against GameStop were forced to buy back shares at a higher price in order to limit their losses. The price eventually peaked at over $400 per share in late January, up from just a few dollars at the start of the year. But the situation wasn't all good news for GameStop itself. The company had not fundamentally changed, and its business model still faced significant challenges. The stock price eventually fell back down to more reasonable levels, leaving some amateur investors who had bought in at the peak with significant losses. Nevertheless, the GME saga has captivated the world and brought attention to the world of retail investing. It remains to be seen what the future holds for GameStop and its stock price, but one thing is for sure: the story of GME will be remembered for years to come. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.